of chrome and shining steel. Brave men and women sit behind the wheel. When they're on their way, everyone will know. Hear the motors roar and the sirens blow. I've seen lots and lots of fire trucks. I can see those big engines roaring down the street. I've seen lots and lots of fire trucks. Here they come now through the smoking heat. I can see those big engines roaring down the street. In a fire or emergency, in any situation that needs urgency, they are on the job both day and night, fighting fires till the morning light. I've seen lots and lots of fire trucks. I can see those big engines roaring down the street. I've seen lots and lots of fire trucks. Here they come now through the smoking heat. I can see those big engines roaring down the street. They're ready anytime or anywhere, on the ground, in the water, or in the air. From the southern states to Baltimore, from the eastern coast to the western shore. I've seen lots and lots of fire trucks. I can see those big engines roaring down the street. I've seen lots and lots of fire trucks. Here they come now through the smoking heat. I can see those big engines roaring down the street. I've seen lots and lots of fire trucks. I can see those big